Hello, hello, hello. I Today is an exciting day. One, because Easter was bomb. It was the bomb. Did you eat everything? Did you have good time with family? I pray you did. I hope that you didn't have any of these tragedies that we are constantly hearing on the news and so on. And I hope that things are well with your family. If they are not, my heart goes out to you, and I pray that you recover well and quickly and thoroughly. But in the meantime, I'm happy to be here with you again. Today's video is going to be about my favorite things video, a hodgepodge of different things that I want to share with you. But first, I have a request. My youngest would like to be included in my video. So I will get her and we will talk about some of these things. Okay? I hope you enjoy it today, and go ahead and subscribe to the page now. And for those who are on Facebook, go ahead, like the page so you will know when we drop other things. And this is, of course, geared to share an abundance of knowledge with you so that you can make great choices, or better ones, or informed ones at the very least. So, hugs to you. I'll go get June and introduce her so that we can have some time together. So this is June. Say hi.
Hi.
June is my youngest, and she wants to be included in this video making session. And so while June wants to talk about her favorite product, and I'll let her go ahead. Tell us about your favorite Mary Kay product.
My favorite Mary Kay product is the new perfume, If You Believe. When I smell it, it reminds me of a nice calming bath.
You mean the kind with eucalyptus?
Yeah, and Epsom salt
Yes,
and a nice bath bomb.
yes. June is very sensual. She loves her baths and scents and things like that. I thought her favorite Mary Kay product would have been our lip glosses because they are bomb to wear. She walks around
Wearing
with
them.
lip gloss all the time, just always having to have it because we don't like dry lips in this family. We don't like what she calls plastic lips, where people are just out there with these dry things, patches on their lips, and just acting like it's not, like they don't know about it, or like, yeah, their body has not totally alerted them. You need water, you need moisturization. Your lips are talking to you. So yes, we love to be moisturized in the lips, and June gets to wear those without color, of course, because of her age, but she loves some Mary Kay lip glosses, right?
Yes, and they're very soft to wear as well,
Yes.
especially the brushes that they use.
Yes, the applicator is so soft and so soothing. But this is our latest fragrance, so June is always into the latest thing as well, trying to see what she could discover. So that's it for June. Did you want to say anything else to my audience?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Make sure you pay attention to my mother's videos. They're very useful and they have great products as well.
Why, thank you, honey. What else can you ask for? Look at that. I think she's going to be my successor. Look at that. That wasn't even like planned. So nice. I think she's going to be my successor. I'm going to call the other one in now and see what she has to say. I know she did her favorite product being the charcoal mask, but I'll see what else she had not mentioned. She was so quick with that. Okay, so here is Oh boy. Here is Ebony. Ebony is my 15-year-old. Oh my God. And as you can see, it's quite hilarious. Um, Ebony, say hi to my audience.
Hello.
Uh-huh. This is
Nice
the
to meet you.
great. This is
How
the
was your day?
wow. This is the Discover New You family. And we're continuing the conversation of what your favorite product is. June's favorite product was the I If You Believe perfume that just came out.
If you believe you can fly,
Oh, if you believe in yourself, if you believe in your dreams,
then
if you
you can
believe
do anything. You can even avoid stumping your toe on that one side of the bed.
Ebony. Oh my God, let's stay focused here. So, what is your favorite product? I know you did your little piece talking about the charcoal mask, but I know you have other things that you like as well. Because today I'm about to share a couple of my favorites. What's yours?
Well, recently, my mother has introduced me to this thing called makeup. Like you wouldn't believe it. It's like a whole different breed. You wouldn't understand. Like it's just makeup is just built different. You wouldn't know. But makeup because it's built so different. It gets on your face and then it stays on your face, and you wouldn't believe it. So how do you take it off by using the oil-free eye makeup remover? It's oil-free. Oh my gosh, I know you wouldn't have guessed. But let me tell you also, for your children, it's gluten-free, sugar-free.
It's not to be eaten. Stop playing. Just talk about what you like about the makeup remover.
Okay, so oil-free
Oh
eye
my
makeup
God.
remover.
Why was the youngest one easier than the oldest one? I don't understand.
Mom, I think it's that time.
So she likes the oil makeup remover.
Yes. So it separates because it kind of looks like a long web that it doesn't glow. So don't worry about it. But it reminds me of a lava lamp. And then you shake it up and you spray it on a piece of cotton, a piece of napkin. I recommend cotton, and you rub it over your eye, and then
In
it's
one
gone.
swipe,
In one
it's
swipe.
gone. That's what you love about
Yeah,
it.
my face is brown again. You wouldn't
And
believe
you're
it.
ready for bed.
Mm-hmm.
Amen.
My pores are clean, like honestly, you wouldn't know. But dirt sometimes just comes right off with it. You wouldn't know it was on your eye.
That's true, because you get dust mites and stuff from your pillows and whatnot trapped in your eyelashes. I like the way that takes off mascara in one swipe. So that's a really good eye makeup remover. It's been awarded many awards. You don't know that. But because it works so well, so that means that you don't have to irritate your eyes and rub and rub and rub trying to get things off that that you put on there that was looking so good. So, yay, give me 5. Good job. Well, goodish. Good job. So, that's Ebony's. So, I tell you. So, the next thing we're going to talk about is, for me, one of my favorite things is to sell is the deep wrinkle filler from the Voluform collection. It is the bomb because when I sell this to older women, especially those with worry lines and so forth, they love it because it melt everybody in the testing of this product received the same result. Deep wrinkle filler, it removes your wrinkles. I can testify to that because I told you all about mommy and the worry lines. She used this and the lifting serum in the Voluform set, but she was using the Voluform set before she was introduced to the deep wrinkle filler. But the two together, my God, is phenomenal. It just lip stretch stuff out, remove wrinkles and fine lines from your forehead, from your worry lines from there, your deep, some people have deep folds, deep brackets right here. And so the wrinkle filler is phenomenal. And everybody that uses it, it's one of my champion products. Yes, Mary Kay, everything they do is so good. I haven't met a bad product, honestly. And so, if you have the right consultant and she's paying attention, like I like to do, to you and your needs and what's happening with your body, and not just giving you blanket things, you're going to absolutely love the the whole line, whatever it is you get from Mary Kay. I haven't found anything that doesn't work, but check up on this wrinkle filler for your grandma or whoever you love, the woman in your life that you want to help her self-esteem and help to remind herself of what she was before those wisdom lines came in. Okay? So let me look for another one of my I have a bunch of stuff that's my favorite things for different reasons. So I do like that because it celebrates the women that have gone before us and paved the way for a lot of us. So I love this, that it works such miracles for them. Let me see what else. I love the TimeWise Repair Lifting Bio-cellulose Mask. I mean, usually recommended for brides and people who just like you have a big event coming up and you want to look your best or you want to look pow, you know. So you're great regularly. This will take you to another level. I mean, look at that. Okay. That is bomb. This is just one of the greatest that we have done so far. It is it is intensive facial treatment that delivers lifting and firming benefits, and that's because it's in our repair line. It's in our TimeWise repair line. We're right there where the volume set and all those things. So it's in that family. But you use this mask, OMG, it is the bomb. You just get the lifting and tightening is out of this world. I mean, and let me open it and show it to you so you know it's those masks you see those celebrities wearing ever so often when you see them doing their spa. You see they put their little paper thing on and they lay back in it and it is so it's in these little packets. I'm trying to work with the light. Okay, so you can see stuff. So it's in these little packets and uh you have three, okay, sorry, four packets in one box. Four packets. So four treatments in one box. And you put them on, they're not every day. You're like once a week, and then when you're going to the event, the last 2 weeks, the instructions are in here, the last two weeks or so, it'll be a couple of days apart. So I'm excited when I want to turn up because I'm already on my skincare and my skin is phenomenal. So yes, I could stroke my own. Stroke my own ego for doing right by myself, right? But I recommend when I want to turn up, I do stuff like this to boost what I already have going on. So this is great. Um, I need to let you guys know that I am giving a Mary Kay mask to my folks who are excited, who would come up and drop a video or a comment about your favorite product, okay? So that you can get this um in your next purchase or with your next purchase. So drop a comment, okay? And in your next bag, I will drop you one of these. They're phenomenal, really good quality, soft on the inside. Ooh, yes, durable, all of that. Adjustable. I love it. Yep, your Mary Kay mask. There's not a lot out there, so get it while it lasts. All right, that's my hodgepodge of favorite things. I am about to talk to, I'm about to do a revealing radiance facial peel on my daughter. We're celebrating this whole 15 thing because, of course, she's a young lady now, and I have to teach her um, how to be refined. And so one of the things is self-care. You don't can't put yourself out there looking crazy because then you're gonna attract the crazy. You don't want that. That's a whole different kind of life. Whole different kind of living. So I'm about to do the facial peel for her and we'll see. I just might go ahead and record it so that I can share with you guys what she looked like before and then what difference it made and the application and everything. But be blessed.
Discover a new you at marykay.com/discoveryou100.